You're juggling 5 apps right now. Tasks in one place, stocks in another, chat in a third, your AI tools somewhere else entirely. Taskade says it can collapse all of that into a single workspace. And in 2026, it might actually be right. Taskade is an AI native productivity and project management platform. It combines tasks, docs, mind maps, team chat, and autonomous AI agents into one interface. You don't install an AI add-on. The AI is the foundation everything else is built on. The ideal Taskade user is a small team or solo founder who wants enterprise-grade automation without enterprise-grade complexity. Freelancers, content teams, startup operators, and remote-first companies. If you need 50 user permissions matrices and deep time tracking reports, it's not your tool. But if you want to ship faster with less overhead, keep watching. Taskade's AI agents are the headline feature. You build custom agents, train them on your own data, assign them a role, researcher, writer, reviewer, and then chain them into agentic teams that hand work off automatically. One agent drafts, another edits, a third formats for publishing, all without you clicking between apps. Every project in Taskade can be flipped between 6 views with one click. List view for linear thinkers, Kanban for teams running sprints, mind map for brainstorming sessions, org chart, calendar, and Gantt-style timeline also available. No extra setup, no duplicate data. It's the same underlying project, just rendered differently. Taskade Genesis is the wildcard feature. You type a plain English description of your workflow. I run a content agency that needs editorial calendars, client briefs, and SEO tracking, and Taskade builds you a live, functional workspace from scratch. No code, no templates to hunt through. This alone makes it a credible no-code automation play in 2026. Taskade's pricing is genuinely hard to argue with. The free plan is real. Unlimited projects up to 5 members, no credit card required. The pro plan is $16 a month for the entire team, not per seat. That same 10-person team on Notion AI Business would cost $200 a month. On ClickUp, $70. The value gap is significant. Taskade scores 4.7 out of 5 on GetApp across 66 verified reviews, with 92% of users saying they'd recommend the platform. The most consistent praise? The UI feels modern and intentional. Real-time collaboration is genuinely snappy, and the AI agents save hours per week once they're set up correctly. Here's the honest problem. Users who bought Taskade's AppSumo lifetime deal feel burned. Unlimited AI access was replaced with credit limits. Top-tier plans lost access to AI agents and the knowledge base without clear notice. If you're buying new today on a monthly plan, these limits are transparent, but the trust damage with early adopters is real and worth knowing before you commit. From Reddit, Taskade replaced Notion, Trello, and ChatGPT Plus for our team. We're paying less and doing more. Another user, the AI agents took about a week to configure properly, but now they run our entire content calendar unsupervised. And the critical take, amazing tool, but the credit limits on the free plan hit hard. Upgrade is necessary if you're using agents daily. Against Notion, Taskade wins on task management UX and AI agent depth. Notion wins on long-form document organization and template variety. Against ClickUp, Taskade wins on simplicity and price. ClickUp wins on enterprise reporting, granular permissions, and time tracking. Here's the number that keeps coming up in every comparison. A 10-person team on Taskade Pro pays $192 per year. That same team on ClickUp Unlimited pays $840. On Miro Starter, $960. Taskade bundles AI into the base price. Every competitor charges extra for it. Skip Taskade if your team needs deep time tracking and billable hours reporting. It's thin there. Skip it if you're in a large enterprise that requires SSO, audit logs, and granular role permissions out of the box. And skip it if you're budget sensitive and plan to stay on the free plan long term. The AI credit cap will frustrate you inside of a week. Taskade's free plan is genuinely usable. Unlimited projects, real AI credits to start, no card required. If you've been duct taping 5 tools together, it's worth 30 minutes to see if one workspace can replace them. Link in the description. If this saved you time, subscribe. More AI tool breakdowns every week.